Guys, so I smell a conspiracy with Trump and his second assassination attempt. It don't make sense. Trump was not scheduled at all to play golf that day. So how did the gunman know he was going to be there? Yeah, supposedly the gunman was there for 10 hours, but still, like I said, Trump was never scheduled that day. So why would the gunman be there? So that's fishy. Now, with that, I don't know why Trump supporters keep standing behind him when he says off the wall shit all the time. He's not right. If you get him in office, it's going to be bad. So, like I said, if you have a reputation management issues, like Trump does, even though he's ignoring it, um, we can help you get that shit right. If you call Rsquare Media, our number is 646-249-3561, and like and follow and comment below.